Lean manufacturing is all about maximizing value while minimizing waste. Imagine a factory floor where every movement, every process, is streamlined to perfection. It's like a well-choreographed dance, where each step is intentional and efficient. By focusing on continuous improvement, we eliminate unnecessary steps, reduce inventory, and enhance productivity. Take the concept of just-in-time production, for instance. It ensures that materials arrive exactly when needed, cutting down on excess stock and freeing up cash flow. And let's not forget about the power of the 5S methodology. Sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. This creates a clean and organized workspace, boosting morale and efficiency. Lean isn't just for manufacturing, it's a mindset that can transform any process. By fostering a culture of respect and collaboration, we empower every team member to contribute ideas for improvement. In the end, lean manufacturing isn't just about saving money, it's about creating a better workplace and delivering higher quality products to our customers.